plant my feet. I'm tired of.
Hey guys, it's your girl Real Juice here today, and today what we're gonna do is what everybody in TikTok has been doing. They've been getting a video from TikTok, and I saw this TikTok video on how like models do their makeup looks, and I said, why not? Let's try something TikTok has been making a lot of you guys do. I have my products right next to me, but we're gonna test either this look or the other look that I'm going to post, and then there's going to be a little bit of a mix, and I think I'm going to just do a separate video for that. But yeah, we're just going to do what TikTok model looks have told us, and yeah, hope you enjoy it. Let's get on with the video. Okay, so for the first thing that I've been seeing that the models have is fluffy brows, and you guys know how much I love fluffy brows. So I got my Iconic London little brow silk brush in the silk part, and what I'm gonna do is use this. You can also use the brow silk. I'm going to test that out because a lot of people have said it is good, but I do like this one because it does have that fluffy effect and it melts with your brows, and you guys know how I like that fluffy brow look. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna brush it straight up, literally straight up, and then I am going to take my little elf, this one is the new hydrating cameo concealer satin finish. I'm gonna use this little mirror. I got this little mirror from Shein. I have a lot of stuff that came in from Shein, so I'm probably gonna do like a little makeup, like little haul. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just dot it right at the tip there, and then with the beauty blender. Why is there, seriously? And I'm just going to beauty blend it to look like I did something to my brows, under my brows. So I'm just gonna do this lightly. Ooh, okay. So kind of looks like this. You guys see a little bit of a difference. That's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to do the same thing to this brow. So I'm back. I did try it off camera, and literally you guys, look at the freaking difference. This eye looks a little bit higher and the cheekbones look higher. And this is just only with concealer, which I poked my eye doing this, so don't mind it. So this is what I did. I grabbed this cameo concealer, and what I did was put it just at the points of my face. So that's basically here, like put it up here, then here, and then I saw it, some people do it, they're right here, and this is what I did. Literally, these are the points that I saw someone do it. They grab their beauty blender, make sure that you hydrate your beauty blender, and I go like this. So this is the magic. You see how this is, right? So what I do is here, do you see that? And then here, bam, and then here, which, like, I think it would be better, because I do have dark circles under my eyes. It would be better if you guys, color correct, but I don't got time for that. So, and I do want to see the difference on how it will look. So I did that. And okay, this is completely different. So what I'm going to do also is just put a little bit on that pimple that needs to go the fuck away. Right here. Here. Because I have 2 pimples that needs to go away. We're going to just, you know, be gone. But you guys, look at the difference. I had dark circles. You can't see them that much, and this is like a good like thing because some models do have dark circles, and you know, they literally don't care, and this is how the models wear it. But there is a huge difference. Now if you want to, you can do, you know, powder under, whatever you want. But what I'm gonna do, because it does look like, you know, we got a little dent here, I am going to grab my bronzer. I think I'm going to use this one. And I'm going to use a shadow play from Canon. Y'all know that it has been my favorite, and it has gone with my complexion for a very long time. And we're just going to, you know, contour the face, because you guys like, you know, I like to have a bronze face. And I'm gonna continue to have a bronze face. And I seen also that they have under the chin. No, we need that sizzling. So I like the summer look. So that means bronzer on the nose. And we're gonna do that to make it, you guys. Okay. And then we're gonna use our blush, which I still have this blush. I'm going to get like the full one. This is like a little testing thing, and I still have it to this day. And this is Party. You guys know I like that little blush look on the nose also. So we're gonna put it here and then put it here. You know, blend that shit together and put it on top of the nose to get that, you know, effect. Okay, I should have went a little bit more down because it looks ridiculous. But I'm gonna do this. Alright, so I'm gonna figure out how they like make this disappear right here, because this looks snatched. This look a little bit more than my color. So I'll be back. Alright, so I got a little bit of a tinted moisturizer from, you know, ColourPop, my favorite. I literally put some over here and then blended with the bronzer. To be honest, I looked off camera. It looks really nice. Okay, I think this will be my everyday look. Now, from what we got in, we're going to basically, what else? Oh, highlighter, because you know you can't go wrong with highlighter. I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this one is the freaking goldest highlighter I ever seen in life. Use my highlighter brush, dust, and what I seem to do is just flick going toward up, and then the other side going up like this to get that glowy point, and then a little bit on top here and here, the nose, get that glow, and the cupid bow. That's about it. You can put a lot of highlighter, and I like a lot of highlighter, so whatever I have within the brush, I'll literally just do it. And then before I put mascara on, I would literally put this on. So this is like my setting spray until I get my morphine one that's coming online. I'll give that rose water a little bit of shake. Then I'm getting my Tarte Benefit. I think it is a Tarte. It's basically the Bang Girl mascara, the one that I've been using for the longest. And I'll be coming back because I kind of left it somewhere. Okay, so I use this, the Tarte. I think it was mixed up. This is the Benefit Bang, Bad Girl Bang mascara, and then I use, where is it? The Lippy Balm from ColourPop Coconut Collection. This is how it looks. It looks so natural, to be honest with you. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys the final look in a minute. So this is the final look. To be honest with you, this is only part 1 because I'm about to start filming part 2 for you guys, because it's a little bit of like a TikTok thing, and there's some like a challenge that's going on. If you haven't seen my Instagram, you're not gonna know what it is. But this is how models do their makeup. This was literally so easy, so fast, and I kind of like the rocking. It's like your skin, but a little bit more enhanced. It looks like it's blurry. To be honest with you, I am going to do this and contribute to it, my everyday look. So yeah, once I do my everyday look and then you know, put this a little bit more together, I'm gonna do a video for it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. And if you have done this model makeup, comment below, let me know. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Deuces.